Mother Teresa. Peace is our gift to each other. Peace is the path we take for bringing growth and prosperity to society. We grade one, presenting a special assembly on peace inspired by Mother Teresa.
I don't care what lies you tell to keep you breathing, or what keeps you from believing. You'll be okay, you'll be okay. I am here and I'll hold you dear. You'll be okay, you'll be okay. I am here and the dawn is drawing near today. I don't see what you show to the masses or what sins you have to bear. No, I won't see why others hate you or why they cast their stones. You'll be okay, you'll be okay. I am here, I'll hold you dear. You'll be okay, you'll be okay. I am here and the dawn is drawing near today. I'll dress your wounds and I'll clean your sores. I'll show you there is love. I'll hold you close and I'll fight for you. I'll love you more and more. I'll dress your wounds and I'll clean your sores. I'll show you there is love. I'll hold you close and I'll fight for you. I'll love you more and more.
Life is a famous poem by Mother Teresa. The main theme of this poem is how to approach life in different situations. Our friends are going to recite the poem live. Life is an opportunity, benefit from it. Life is beauty, admire it. Life is a dream, realize it. Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is a duty, complete it. Life is a game, play it. Life is a promise, fulfill it. Life is sorrow, overcome it. Life is a song, sing it. Life is a struggle, accept it. Life is a tragedy, confront it. Life is an adventure, dare it. Life is luck, make it. Life is too precious, do not destroy it. Life is a tragedy, confront it. Life is life, fight for it. Peace begins with a smile. It is said that a smile can light up a room. So imagine what a world of smile can do. Peace is the mother of progress. Without peace, a nation cannot make any progress. So peace is ever desirable. If we had to